Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Good, very good, sir.
Very good.
Good,
Miss Yana,
sir.
did you go out today, Miss Yana?
Uh, yes.
Yes, you did. Where did you go?
I go to Gempa,
Gempa.
Gempa Balangan.
What is it? What is it? Is it a park or a cafe or
Uh, Pengajian,
restaurant?
sir. Religion.
Oh, it's a religious event. Yeah,
Yes.
religious event. Okay, very good. Nice, nice. What about you, Amin? What's special today?
No special, sir.
Nothing
But I
special.
feel doing well.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Yeah, thank God. What about Mr. Rugi? Anything special today in your day? Or just so-so?
Uh, Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, today not having special
Nothing special.
because I'm not go anywhere.
Oh, I didn't go
You
in.
know, yeah, I didn't go anywhere.
Okay, all right, but you're well. That's special.
Yeah, it's
Nabil, how's it going?
Yes, sir.
All
Very
good?
good, sir.
Okay,
Good.
nice to hear that. What's that on your display picture? Is that a toy? Toy car?
Uh, yes, sir. Toy car.
Ah,
Hot
okay.
Wheels.
What is it?
Hot Wheels, sir.
Oh, you're a
Yeah.
fan of Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
Do you collect Hot Wheels?
I just 3 cars Hot Wheel.
Ah, okay. You collect, but only three for now. All right, all right, all right. Okay, well, when you are studying in Australia later on, inshallah, you can buy Hot Wheels from Australia, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Rahmi, how's it going, Rahmi?
It's today for me. It's bad
Oh, why? What happened?
because today day one of period.
You what? The first.
Day one of menstruation.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry to hear that. All right. Don't be. What is it? I don't know what to do when women get their period, but yeah, I hope you well. Yeah. All right. And then Afan, how's it going, Afan? All good?
All good, sir.
All right. All right. All right. Okay. I think we can just start. Today we will still talk about natural world, the topic of the theme. Yeah, the theme of the lesson. But we will focus on a writing skill today. So this is our goals for today. Hopefully, from today's class, you can learn how to write a good conclusion paragraph in your uh, writing task 2 essay. All right. And to do that, you need to also use linking words, linking phrases, and hopefully we will learn some useful linking phrases from today's class. But let's start with something fun. Let's have a race. Jumbled letter word race. I will show you a word and the word is going to be jumbled. What is jumbled? Jumbled means?
Lomba, sir.
That's race. What about jumbled? Jumbled means acak, yeah. For example, what word is the letters shuffled here or jumbled here?
Air.
Very good. It's air. All right. So like that. That's what we're going to do for this warmer game. And if you can guess first, you get the point. All right. Are you ready?
Bagus, sir.
All right.
Ready.
The winner can ask any question to the class, just like yesterday. So if you want to ask a free question to anyone in the class, then this is your chance. So here we go. Number 1. What? Oh yeah, the clue. The words are all about environmental problems and solutions. Okay, so that's the topic of the words. And here is the first one.
Natural.
Okay, very good.
Natural.
Afan
Natural.
answered first. So Afan gets the first score, the first point. Okay, 1 point for Afan. So let me use dollar, yeah, to represent the point. Okay, 1 point for Afan. It's natural. Okay, everybody, can you repeat the word natural?
Natural.
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 Yes. Okay, the next word. Get ready.
Global.
Global.
Okay, Nabil. I saw Nabil mentioning it first, so Nabil gets the point. Very good. Nabil with the first point there in the scoreboard. And the word is global. Next word. Get ready. Okay, I will look at your cameras to see if you say it first. And the next word is
Fossil.
Feel.
who answered it first? I think Nabil. I heard Nabil's voice first. Very good. It's fossil. Second point for Nabil. Very good. Next word. Get ready.
Pollution.
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 Afan said it first. Good job. It's pollution. Another point for Afan. Wow. Only Afan and Nabil leading for now. It's gonna be the winner at the end. Let's see later. All right. So the word is
Pollution.
pollution. Very good. Next word. What is it?
False. False. False.
Nope.
Fuels. Fuel.
False.
Amin. Can you say it again, Amin?
Fuels.
Fuels. Very good. Everybody repeat. Fuels.
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 Okay. What is the meaning of fuels?
Bahan bakar.
Bahan bakar. Very good. Fuels means bahan bakar. Okay. Next word. Get ready.
Space.
Spice.
Nope.
Spice.
Nope.
Spice. Say
Not
spice.
spice. Not spice.
Spicy. Spicy.
Spicy. No, not
Steak.
spicy.
Oh.
Species.
Okay, Nabil guessed it. Can you repeat, Nabil?
Species.
Species. That's right. Species. Another score, another point for Nabil. All right. Next word.
Energy.
Energi.
Ami guessed it first. Can you repeat, Ami?
Energy.
Be careful. The pronunciation in English is energy.
Energy.
Everyone, energy.
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 That's right. It's energy. Next word. Get ready.
Warming.
Ami again. Wow, Ami is on fire. It is warming. Warming, yeah. Very good. But Nabil is still leading with 3 points. So let's see who's gonna reach him.
Habitat.
Habit.
Habitat.
Habitats. Afan guessed it. Very good. Afan guessed it. Habitats. And yes, that's it. That's the last word, guys. So who is the winner? The winner,
Afan.
Afan.
No.
Yeah.
Nabil.
But we should have only one winner. So Afan and Nabil, I want you to do paper, scissors, rock on the camera. Okay, paper, scissors, rock. Afan, Nabil, get ready. Paper, scissors,
Ready.
rock, shoot.
Eh?
Okay, same. Paper, scissors, rock, shoot. Paper, scissors, rock, shoot. Okay, the winner is
Kalah.
Afan. Okay, Afan. One
Okay.
question for the class. Any
Ah.
question?
I don't know. I think
You can ask them how many ex-girlfriends or boyfriends do you
okay.
Okay, so that's the question, guys. How many ex-girlfriends or ex-boyfriends do you have? Berapa banyak mantannya? Amin first.
Oh yeah, I mean.
How many ex-girlfriends and boyfriends do you have, Amin?
I don't have I
Ex-girlfriend.
don't have ex-girlfriend, sir. But
Wow.
now I have
Ooh,
girlfriend.
okay. So Amin
You,
is in
you
relationship.
want to see that, sir?
No, thank you. No need. Thank you. All right, maybe. Oh, okay. There she is. All
It's
right.
very
Oh.
very beautiful, sir.
Wow. Amin is, how do you say pamer?
Beautiful.
How do you say pamer in English? How do you say pamer?
I don't know, sir.
Amin is
What, sir?
flaunting, guys. No, don't flaunt, Amin. Okay, what about Mr. Rugi? How many ex-girlfriend do you have? Or maybe
I
boyfriend?
never,
I don't know.
What?
I never have a girlfriend.
Well, you're never in a relationship, Mr. Rugi.
Yeah,
What?
I focus in my study.
Whis,
Oh.
amazing. Yeah, give applause for Mr. Rugi. Very good, Mr. Rugi. Okay, Nabil, what about you, Nabil? How many ex-girlfriends do you have?
I don't have ex-girlfriend, sir.
Wow, also someone who is focused on their study and work. Yeah, very good, Nabil. Miss Yana, what about Miss Yana? I'm sure Miss Yana has many ex-boyfriends.
Maybe 3, sir.
Wih, three.
Wow.
Uncountable, maybe.
So many ex-boyfriends, Miss Yana.
Ex-husband 1.
Of course, the husband must be one. What about Rami? Rami, how many ex-boyfriends do you have, Rami?
Just 1.
Oh, just one. Okay. All right, very good. That's it. Yeah. So, this is just a warmer, but the words are connected to the topic today. So, I make sure you know the meaning of air, natural, global, fossil, habitat. So yeah, what is habitats?
Habitat.
Yes, habitat. Yeah.
Habitat.
Yeah, that's right. Habitats. So the same in English. All right. So let's go to the first exercise. This one is about vocabulary. I want you to match the words to make common word pairs. Word pairs means words that usually come together. Okay. Kata-kata yang biasanya muncul bersamaan. So match the words on the left with the words on the right to create the word pairs. For example, number 1, endangered. What is the pair of endangered? Endangered fuels, endangered warming, endangered pollution, endangered species, habitats, or energy.
Species.
Very good, Amin. Species. What does it mean when it is paired with species? What is endangered species?
Species
Species
yang punah.
hampir punah. Yeah. Species hampir punah. All right. So everybody repeat. Endangered species.
Endangered species.
Endangered species.
Endangered species.
Okay. Now, what about number 2? Which one is the pair? Air, blah, blah, blah.
Pollution.
Pollution.
Very good, Nabil. It's air pollution. What does it mean?
Udara.
Polusi.
Polusi udara.
Polusi.
Polusi udara.
Very good. Next one. Renewable, blah, blah, blah.
Energy.
Very good. Renewable energy. Everybody repeat. Renewable energy.
Renewable energy.
What does it mean, Afan?
Renewable energy.
Energi
Energi
terbarukan.
terbarukan.
Energi terbarukan.
Energi yang bisa diperbaharui. And then the next one, number 4, natural.
Natural
Habitat.
habit.
Natural habitats.
Habitat.
Natural habitat.
Natural habitats. What does it mean, Ami? What is natural habitat, Ami? Or maybe Miss
Habitat
Yana?
alami. Habitat alami.
Very good. Habitat alami. Next one, global.
Warming.
Global warming.
This is very
Okay.
common, right? We usually hear this from the news, from some media, global warming. What does it mean, Nabil?
Pemanasan global.
Pemanasan global. And the last one, fossil
Bio.
Fossil fuel.
fossil fuels. What does it mean, Amin?
Bahan bakar fosil.
Very good. Bahan bakar fosil. Okay. So these are called word pairs. Kata yang biasa muncul bersamaan. So make sure you know them and you don't use the wrong pair. Yeah. Okay, now I want you to practice using them in a sentence. I will give you 3 minutes to complete this exercise. Use the word pair to fill in the blank or the gap. All right, 3 minutes. Start from now. Okay, time's up. Let's check your answer. Let me start from Amin, number 1. What is the word pair that goes there, Amin?
In conclusion, global warming is already causing sea temperatures to rise.
Okay, everybody else agrees? Do you guys agree with Amin?
Agree, sir.
Agree, sir.
Yes, correct. It is global warming. So what does it mean, Amin? Can you translate the sentence number 1? Can you translate the sentence number 1, Amin?
Menurut saya,
In
pemanasan
conclusion,
global
in conclusion means dalam kesimpulan.
dalam kesimpulan
Pemanasan global.
Pemanasan global sudah menyebabkan suhu laut meningkat.
Very good. Good job. Choose the next friend to do number 2, Amin.
Nabil,
Okay, Nabil, number 2. What's the answer?
I think A, sir.
A. This one? Okay. Everybody else agrees? Do you guys agree or do you have a different answer?
I am D, sir.
What, Miss Yana?
D.
D?
Yes.
Okay, so
Maybe.
A or D? What do you think, guys? Let's translate it to understand the meaning. How do you translate number 2? In my opinion, menurut saya, loss of, hilangnya bla 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 adalah sebuah ancaman berkelanjutan bagi
Iwan liar.
Ya.
binatang-binatang liar. So, hilangnya what? Hilangnya spesies yang hampir punah or hilangnya habitat alami?
Habitat alami.
The
D,
answer
sir.
is natural
D.
habitat. All right. Is that clear, Nabil?
Clear, sir.
All right. Choose the next friend for number 3.
Afan.
Afan, do number 3, please.
Some of air pollution.
Air pollution. Do you guys agree with
Agree,
Afan's
sir.
answer?
Agree.
All right, Afan, translate the sentence to understand it, please.
Singkatnya, polusi udara berdampak serius bagi orang-orang di kota, tinggal
Very
di kota.
good. Yes, correct. So to sum up means untuk menyimpulkan, air pollution, polusi udara memiliki efek serius bagi orang-orang yang hidup di kota. Choose the next friend for number 4.
Mr. Ogi.
Mr. Ogi, please, number 4.
Number 4, if we don't take action now, the number of A. Yeah.
Will continue.
And endangered species will
Be careful. Ugi, endangered.
Endangered.
Yes.
Endangered.
Yeah. All right. Do you guys agree with Mr. Ugi's answer?
Agree, sir.
All right. Mr. Ugi, can you translate the sentence, please?
Jika kita tidak melakukan aksi sekarang, jumlah spesies akan
hampir punah.
Ya, hampir punah akan terus berlanjut untuk berkembang.
Terus meningkat.
Ya, terus meningkat.
Very good. Choose the next friend for number 5, Mr. Ugi.
Miss Yana.
Miss Yana, number 5.
Suggest governments stop using renewable energy.
Renewable energy.
Yes, renewable energy.
And
C.
start using clean sources of energy. Okay, do you guys agree?
Agree.
Okay, Mr. Rugi agree. All right, let's try to translate it. Can you translate it, Ms. Yana? Saya
menyarankan pemerintah stop using menggunakan
fosil.
Energi
bahan bakar
yang
fosil.
bisa diperbaharui.
Ya,
bahan bakar fosil.
Energi yang diperbaharui.
So you suggest government stop using renewable energy, Miss Yana. Miss Yana menyarankan pemerintah stop menggunakan energi yang bisa diperbaharui. Is that correct?
F.
Pemerintah harus stop menggunakan energi yang bisa diperbaharui. Do you think that's a good suggestion?
What F, sir?
No, yeah, it's not a good suggestion. So, what is the correct one?
F.
Oh, fosil berarti,
F.
sir.
Fossil fuel.
Fosil.
Oh, that's right. The answer is fossil fuels.
Yeah.
Okay, can you translate it again with the correct answer, Miss Yana?
Jika saya menyarankan pemerintah stop menggunakan fosil,
bahan
bahan
bakar
bakar
fosil
fosil, and
dan
mulai
menggunakan
clean source of energy.
sources sumber
Sources
energi yang bersih.
Yang bersih.
Ya.
Clean sources of energy.
Sources. Yes, very good. Good job. Choose the next friend for the last one, Miss Yana.
Ami.
Okay, Rahmi, number 6.
Finally, I believe that renewable energy can offer us help to save our planet.
Translate, please.
Akhirnya, saya percaya bahwa energi baru bisa menyelamatkan planet kita.
Very good, Rahmi. Yes, that's it, guys. Very good. All right, let's continue. So now, do you think a conclusion paragraph important in your IELTS writing task 2? Do you think it's important or not? Important, Miss Yana? Why? Kenapa? Why is conclusion paragraph kesimpulan important in the writing task 2?
Because conclusion is kesimpulan very important for the answer.
Yeah.
Answer.
Yeah. That's right. Conclusion is very important for the answer. And why it's important is because it is the last thing that the examiner reads, so it must be good, right? So the conclusion paragraph is the last thing the examiner reads. Bagian terakhir yang si tukang cek baca. So it must be good, harus bagus untuk meninggalkan impresi yang bagus di akhir ya. So how should we write a good conclusion, guys? How can we write a good conclusion? What's your strategy? I mean,
Present tense.
present tense, not always. You can use other tenses.
Present.
Oh, recent.
Present tense. Present tense.
3
To or
sentences.
present tense.
3 sentences.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3 kalimat. Not necessarily. Tidak harus. Not necessarily. I mean, you can write 4 or 5, but 3 is a minimum, right? So 3 is the minimum number of sentences. Very good. Very good. Okay, what about Miss Shamara, who just joined us? What's your strategy to write a good conclusion? How do you write a good conclusion sometimes?
Maybe the first is like I say about the name of my writing. So after that yeah, about one, I tell about the
Mhm.
what's judul.
The title.
Yes, the title one. So two about the title two, or if the title is
Two parts.
two parts.
Okay.
After that,
Hmm?
after not again apa just two, about one, about two.
Mhm.
The
Yeah, just
title first dan last paragraph
and the
kali.
and the conclusion the last.
Yes, of course. All right, very good. Now we will see more strategies, yeah? Here are more strategies. I want you to choose which one may be included in conclusion. Which of these components or strategies should be included in conclusion? Some of them shouldn't be concluded. So choose the ones that may be included. Pilih yang bisa dimasukkan di conclusion. I will give you time to think and to answer this, and then we will share it as a class. Okay? I will give you 3 minutes. Okay, and then we will share it with the class. Start from now. Okay, time's up. Let's check it one by one. Let's start with concluding phrase. Can this be included? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. For
Yes.
example, what's a concluding phrase? Example of concluding phrase, frase untuk mengutarakan kesimpulan, what?
Finally.
Yeah, very
Finally.
good. Finally, there's also to sum up. What else do you usually see? There's also in conclusion. So these are concluding phrase. Yeah. So yes, A is absolutely yes, can be included. What about B? A prediction.
Can.
Can, yes, that's right. You can make a prediction in your conclusion. Supporting evidence.
Support.
Supporting evidence means bukti yang mensupport klaim-klaim kita or argumen kita.
No.
No, yeah, because this should be in the
Body
paragraph.
paragraph.
In the body paragraph. Ini harusnya di paragraf inti di tengah ya, not in conclusion. Your opinion?
Yes.
Of course, bisa memberi opini. An idea you haven't mentioned before? Ide yang kamu belum sempat singgung atau sebut sebelumnya?
Bisa. Iya. Can.
Are you sure?
Remember
Remember,
conclusion.
conclusion is like a wrap ya, sebuah pembungkus esainya. So if you mention something new, kalau kita menyebutkan sesuatu yang baru, berarti
New paragraph.
ya itu harusnya di paragraf inti ya, body paragraph. So this is no. You shouldn't mention anything new. Usahakan jangan menyebutkan atau mengangkat ide baru. Because it's a closing, karena sudah penutup. And then plenty of detail?
No.
No, ini harusnya di body paragraph. Conclusion itu malah mengulang ide yang sudah ada sebelumnya ya, bukan memberikan ide-ide atau detail-detail baru. Summary of your main ideas?
No.
Yes.
Summary
Yes.
means
Summary.
Yes.
Yes.
Summary means rangkuman, ringkas
Rangkuman.
ide-ide inti kalian yang sudah dijelaskan sebelumnya. What you hope might happen in the future?
Future.
Apa yang kamu harap atau tidak harap terjadi di masa depan?
Yes.
Yes, because this is like B
B.
ya. Ini mirip dengan B. So you can also use it. Your recommendations?
Of course.
Of course, you can. Your answer to the question? Jawaban ke pertanyaannya? Of course, you should. Oke, ini kesempatan terakhir di paragrafnya untuk memberikan jawaban kalian ke pertanyaan. And you must give a clear answer to the question so that the examiner can tick the box for that. And then at least 4 sentences, paling sedikit 4 kalimat.
No.
Not
No,
two.
tidak harus, not necessarily. Ya. You can have 3, you can have 5. Yeah. You can have 3, it's fine. Even 2, bahkan 2 juga tidak apa-apa. As long as it's enough to cover all the points. Okay, so these are the strategies to write a conclusion for your writing task 2 essay, guys. Okay. Any questions about this? Ada pertanyaan mengenai ini? All right. If it's clear, let's move on. Now let's practice with examples. So here are some examples of the strategies we talk about. I want you to match them. Okay. For example, number 1. This is an example of which strategy? So what is this? Is this a concluding phrase, or is it a prediction, or is it supporting evidence, or is it your opinion, etc., etc.? In short means
G.
Is it G? A summary of your main ideas, ringkasan, rangkuman, ide inti kalian. Let's check. Oops. This one is No. You're correct. You're correct.
What you
A summary of your main ideas. How did you know, Miss Shamara?
That's
Mr. Wara?
because in short, all type pollution.
Yeah, and also in short is a summary phrase. Yeah, in short itu kata yang biasa digunakan untuk memperkenalkan ringkasan, untuk memberikan ringkasan. So in short
itu like pendeknya, rangkumannya.
in short is introduction phrase, frase yang digunakan untuk memberikan rangkuman, to give a summary. So it's a summary of your
That
main.
is similar in short, in summary, or other meaning?
Same. In short, in summary, to sum up, same meaning. Okay. So it's a summary. Okay, what about number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? I want you to answer this in 5 minutes. And then we will check it together. Okay? Start from now. Okay, time's up, guys. Let's check your answers. So, number 2, Amin. What example is number 2? Is it an idea you haven't mentioned? Is it your recommendation?
A.
A, let's check.
Concluding phrase.
Very good. It is A. Well done. Number 3, Mr. Rugi.
Personally, I feel that there is a limit to what we can to do.
That's an example of what?
Personally, I feel that
Personally means menurut saya. So when you say menurut saya, what are you giving?
your opinion.
Opinion. That's right. You're giving your opinion.
Yeah.
Nabil, number 4.
Number 4. B. Prediction.
Prediction. Let's check. It is B. Good job. I think there will be very few wild animals left in 25 years' time. So it's a prediction, yeah? And then number 5, Miss Shamara.
Recommendation.
Each.
H, let's check. It is A.
Oh, what's your hope?
What you hope or fear might happen in future. And the last one, Afan, number 6.
Number 6. No comments supposed to. Recommendation.
Recommendations. That's right. So these are good examples of sentences to use in conclusion, ya. So ini contoh-contoh kalimat yang sangat bagus untuk paragraf kesimpulan. All right, very good. I hope you can write something like this in your own conclusion paragraph. Okay, let's move on. Here is an example of a conclusion. Which one is better, A or B? I will give you 1 minute to skim, to read fast, and then I want you to answer which one is better, A or B. 1 minute. So, which one is a better conclusion paragraph? A or B?
B.
A.
I.
A.
A.
Okay. Somebody answered B. Who answered B?
Me, sir.
Okay, Nabil. Why Nabil? Why do you think B is a better conclusion?
Because I read the last passage in conclusion,
Where? Which one?
last sentence, sir.
Oh, the last sentence. Remember the concluding phrase should be in the last or in the beginning?
Beginning.
In the beginning, Nabil. And remember, do not introduce a new idea in your conclusion. Jangan memberikan ide baru atau topik baru di paragraf terakhir. This paragraph B, there is an introduction of a new topic, new issue. Another issue is, isu lainnya adalah, so when you conclude your essay, don't introduce a new issue or a new topic or a new idea. Yeah. So the better conclusion is paragraph A. Why paragraph A is good? Because one, it has concluding phrase, frase untuk memberikan kesimpulan, and then it has the summary.
My view.
My opinion, very good. You give your personal opinion, and then you give the summary of your ideas, right? Ringkasan ide inti penulis. Here we can recycle 1, maintain vehicles 2, and support laws that prevent damage 3. And then there is a hope or fear. Hold on. Okay, so that's why paragraph A is the better conclusion. So this is how you should write a conclusion, guys. Jika kalian menulis kesimpulan harus seperti ini. Okay? All right, very good. Let's continue. Next one is about linking phrases. What is linking phrase or words, guys? Do you remember?
Kata sambung.
Kata
Kata
penyambung.
penghubung.
Very
Kata
good.
hubung.
Kata hubung or kata penyambung. Yeah. Here are some examples. We have in this essay, so these are linking phrases. In my view, another reason for, on the other hand, for instance, to conclude, etc. Now I will give you 3 minutes to match the linking phrases with the meaning. Cocokkan makna linking phrases 1 to 7. 3 minutes start from now. All right, so let's start with the first one. Please, Ms. Shamara, what is the function of the phrase in this essay? I will blah, blah, blah.
That's to explain your plan.
Very good. Next one, number 2, Nabil. What's the function of this phrase in my view, Nabil?
To introduction an opinion.
To introduce an opinion. Excellent. Number 3, Amin.
Another reason for to introduce a similar point.
To introduce a main point. Hold on.
To introduce a similar point.
A similar point. Oh, okay. To introduce a similar point. Okay, very good. Hold on. Just clear that. Okay. We'll talk about that later. Let's eliminate the others first. Yeah. So number 4. Thank you. Number 4, Miss Yana.
On the other hand, itu introduce the opinion view. Opinion view.
Opposite.
Opposite
Opposite
view.
view. A. Very
Opposite
good.
view.
Yes. So on the other hand means di sisi lain. Yeah. So it's berlawanan. Di sisi lain. And then number 5, Afwan.
To introduce an example is
Example. That's right.
an
So
example to have explained.
yes. So for instance, just like for example, yeah, this is only another synonym of example. Number 6, please, Mr. Rugi.
It is clear that to begin your final paragraph.
To begin your final paragraph, untuk memulai paragraf terakhir. Remember, final paragraph is usually what? Paragraf terakhir biasanya?
To
Kesimpulan.
conclude.
So
The introduce a main point.
Okay, I think there is a mistake here. So number 3 is supposed to be to introduce a main point. Okay. And it is clear that blah, blah, blah is to introduce a similar. All right. Because the word another, yeah. So it's totally disconnected, totally different. Karena kata another yang lain berarti topiknya berbeda. Nah, sementara ini similar ya, yang mirip, yang hampir sama. So that's but these are the linking words, linking phrases that you need to have in your vocabulary bank. Di pembendaraan kosakata kalian harus ada linking phrases like this, okay? Because you will need them in your essay if you want to make your essay easy to follow by the readers. So that's the function of linking words, guys. Fungsi dari tipe kata seperti ini adalah membantu pembaca mengikuti flow ide di essay kita. So it's important to have them. If you only give your ideas right away without using linking words or phrases like this, it's hard. It's hard to follow the ideas. So that's the function of linking phrases. All right, let's move on to the next one. Next one, I want you to see examples of the use of linking phrases and words. So highlight the linking phrases or words that the writer uses in this essay. Jadi baca essay ini, kemudian highlight, garis bawahi, linking phrases, kata penghubung yang digunakan. Alright, I will share the text in the group so you can zoom in. You can zoom in to read the text more easily. Hold on, I will share it in the group. Okay, and then I will give you time to highlight the linking phrases. I will give you 5 minutes for that. So 5 minutes, read and highlight the linking phrases or words. Start from now. All right, so what are the linking words that you found? Let's start from Mr. Rugi. What are the linking words you found, Mr. Rugi?
For example.
Very good. For example. What else? In this essay, I will, right? Do you remember to introduce your plan, to give your plan? And then Miss Shamara, what else?
For instance. For instance.
For instance, very good. There is for instance. What else, Miss Shamara?
Another reason.
Excellent. Very good. Another reason.
One example.
One example, Nabil. Finally. Excellent. Very good. Next. First of all, to introduce the first point.
Next.
To continue.
Finally
again. There it is. And the last one.
Conclusion.
So in conclusion.
So you see, what do these words do to the essay? It makes the essay easier to follow. So you will get extra score if you can use linking words like this. Make sure you use them if you can in your essay. Okay? All right. I hope that's clear. Let's go to the last activity for today. For the last activity, still about the reading before, so still about the model answer here. So work in group to discuss the question 1, 2, and 3 about the essay model answer that we see before. And answer these questions in a group. So I will put you in groups, and then I will give you 10 minutes to discuss the answers. And after that, I will check it in the main room together with the other students. Is that clear? Okay, I hope it's clear. Now get ready to join your group. I will give you 10 minutes only. So please take a screenshot of the question. Screen capture the questions because you will not see it when you are in the breakout room. All right, and now please join your room.
Penyebab. I think number 2
Okay,
is
so then we just
Hunting for spot.
destruction of natural habitat. At the moment,
Natural habitat is education program. Yeah.
Law and punishment. Law and punishment. Number 2 about pollution and the
Education
government
not yet.
action.
Yes. Is clean energy is ready? That's with the cases.
Yeah.
And then education. That's because the government have a law, education and clean energy. What is it?
Question number 2.
That's paragraph 3.
All right, is everybody back?
yes, sir.
All right, let's check your group's answers, starting with the causes. What are the causes mentioned in the essay? Group 1, Amin.
For number 2, the causes is destruction of natural habitat.
Habitats. And number 3?
Number 3, pollution from industry.
Okay, pollution. So destruction of habitats and pollution. What about group 2? Ms. Yamara, what are the causes?
Maybe the cases is endangered.
Gorilla, sir.
Gorilla?
Yeah, is the
The
gorillas in the rainforest, which are now in the endangered.
endangered, yes. But this is asking about the causes. Penyebab wild animals become endangered. Banyak binatang liar menjadi hampir punah. So what are the causes? Penyebab-penyebabnya apa berdasarkan essay?
If the gorilla, that's because
So there are two causes that haven't been mentioned.
About the destroy their unnatural habits.
Okay, so same as group 1's answer, yeah, the destruction of natural habitats, kehancuran habitat alaminya. And number 3?
Maybe
Pollution hurts the animal.
Pollution. Okay, let's check. Let's see the essay. So here the essay gives it in the body paragraph, in paragraph 2, yeah. So we have 1, hunting. 2, another reason to become is that the destruction of natural habitats, and last one is pollution. So the answer is habitats destroyed and pollution. Good job. Now, what about the government actions? Group 2.
That's education
Education. And number 3,
is clean energy.
clean energy. Group 1, do you agree? Amin, Nabil, Mesiana, do you agree with group 2's answers?
Energy.
yeah,
Agree.
renewable and clean energy.
All right, let's check it out.
Agree, sir.
Let's check it out. Education programs, and the last one, clean energy. Correct. All right, now, which causes and government actions that are mentioned in the conclusion? Yang mana yang disebutkan di di paragraf kesimpulan?
Pollution
Pollution. And then?
and invest in clean energy.
Invest in clean energy. That's all? Only 2? Programs. Only 3?
Hunting for sport or body parts.
Hunting for sport. Only 4?
Education.
Destruction and punishment. So, all is mentioned. Semuanya disebutkan. Right? So, you see, that's a good conclusion. Seperti itu paragraf kesimpulan yang bagus. Menyebutkan semua inti-inti dari esainya. And then the last one. The conclusion ends with prediction, hope, fear, or recommendation. Kesimpulannya
Recommendation.
ditutup dengan prediksi, harapan, atau rekomendasi.
Recommendation.
Hope. Okay, let's check. Kita
We
lihat.
must work together.
Everyone must work together to save endangered animals. What is that?
Yeah, hope.
Hope like must work
Harus
for
bekerja sama.
future.
Government
Yeah.
should use the law, education, and clean energy to improve the situation. Everyone must work together to save endangered.
Oh, yeah.
That is a
It's a recommendation.
recommendation. Okay, so that's a good essay, guys. Do you think you can write essay like this for your writing task 2 in IELTS test?
We must much practice.
Yes, you must practice much.
You can try to like this writing.
Yeah, but if you can write like this, Mr. Rugi, it's so easy to get the IELTS score 6.5. Very easy for this. Okay, so I hope in the next 6 months, 7 months, you can improve your IELTS skills so you can make an essay like this, yeah? So you can get your target score.
I focus to writing, sir.
Yeah, you can
Writing the vocabularies.
Yeah, vocabulary is number 1. I agree. So that's it for today, guys, and let's close it with the conclusion. What did we learn today?
We learn how to
Linking word.
Linking words.
to read conclusion.
Paragraph.
How we can write the follow.
That's right. Correct. Very good. So which one is the most, which one is the easiest for you? Which one can you do well?
Linking.
The linking words. Okay. And which one is the hardest?
The
Right
hardest
person.
idea.
The ideas. Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
Getting ideas and having enough vocabulary to express the ideas in the essay. All right. Okay, well, that's it. Now, just keep on practicing at home, yeah? Review the lessons. And now I will check your attendance. Listen to your name. Muhammad Nabil.
Present, sir.
Muhammad Afan.
Present, sir.
Ugianto.
Present, sir.
Ihsanul Amin.
Present, sir.
Irfan Nafis. Muhammad Yusuf. No, Rami. Oh, Rami had to leave because of something urgent. Syamaratul Hidayat.
Present, sir.
Mardiana.
Present, sir.
Muhammad Misran. Jimmy and Arbaina. All right, that's it. Don't forget to do the assignment on Google Classroom. Thank you very much, everyone, for today. Keep up the spirit and see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you for today, sir.